In last week's video, I explained my plan, but ever since that video, I made some changes to the original design. The first skinny is going to be 10 feet long and 6 inches wide. Then we're cutting these 4x4 fence posts and screwing them to the skinny. The second skinny is 8 feet long and 10 inches wide. Because it's curved, we're using a pipe and some string to get it round. Then we're screwing the 4x4 posts at each end. The third skinny is 6.5 feet long and 10 inches wide. We're screwing the 4x4 posts at the beginning, middle, and end. Overall, this was a pretty successful build, but in the future, we might change or fix a couple of things. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.